Finding everyone for a class reunion is usually a nightmare, but you can actually crowdsource the search. Say you have a 300-person graduating class, and you have exactly 0 current phone numbers. You start by building a master list using old yearbooks and your high school alumni office. But tracking down every single name yourself is a massive bottleneck. Instead, move that static list onto a centralized reunion website like MyEvent. Use Facebook, LinkedIn, or Instagram graduation year tags to find just a small handful of connected friends. Direct them to your new website. When this first batch sees your missing list, the multiplier effect kicks in. They start notifying their own networks to track down their specific friends. Now, your classmates are doing the hard work for you. They securely update their own profiles and register themselves, automatically checking their names off the master list. And what about that massive 300-person graduating class we started with? The list is fully updated, registered, and ready for reunion night, without the committee having to track down every individual themselves.